Oh, hey, what's up? How's it going? In this episode, we get snowed in the mountains of North Carolina in my off-grid tiny home school bus conversion. Oh, wow, it's really putting out some light now. Dude, this is so cool. I'm in one of the tallest mountains in North Carolina, Grandfather Mountain. I'm gonna cook some food, play some video games.
Was you some gaming now?
Yeah, so if you wanna stick around and enjoy the ride, come along with me. This is my off-grid school bus conversion that I've been working on for the past year. There's my guitar, installed a wood stove, got an office, everything you need to live comfy off-grid. I got a short bus so I could go through trails like this, no problem. I couldn't do this with a bigger bus. I bought snow chains, but these new tires are sticking pretty good. So hopefully I don't fall off the side of the mountain for a foot of snow. And I'm just gonna get snowed in. Me and Bandit. I got the wood stove, plenty of wood, food for a few days. And I've got a generator if I need electricity, because when it's snowing there's no sun. I've got these big ass solar panels, but they don't do any good when the sun doesn't come out. So yeah, I'm just gonna make some coffee, enjoy the peacefulness of winter, and try to just recharge my batteries and get ready for spring. I'm in my hibernation phase. You reflect on the past year and where I want to be going forward. It's going to be exciting with this new freedom machine that I've built for myself. I'm really looking forward to what's next. I was being silly and I ended up getting coffee everywhere. Alright, let's check up on Bandit out in the snow.
Let's go, Bandit!
Play some frisbee? Ready? Almost. Love YouTube! Oh my gosh, that is so cringe.
Yeah! Hey, buddy.
Sit. Yeah, good boy. Stay. Hey, come here.
Oh, love, made it to the mountain. Made it to the mountain. Yeah.
I'm gonna clean some solar panels. So here I am cleaning the solar panels, so when the storm is over, I'll be able to make electricity again. So the next order of business is to gather some firewood to stay warm. I'm gonna test out this new electric chainsaw that I got. We're gonna chop some wood up today, right, Bandit? You gonna help me, Bandit? Yeah. This tree right here is kind of in the way for when I'm leaving, so I'm gonna cut it down anyways. I won't be able to burn it because it's gonna be green, but it'll make it getting out here a little bit easier so I don't take out my chimney on my bus. This is not ready to go yet. There it goes. This tree right here tries to take me out. So I did find some seasoned logs that were laying around. So I decided to chop those up in smaller pieces, and they would be dry enough for my wood stove. Okay, I bought this puny little hatchet axe thing. I'm hoping I don't have to carry around a big old axe around, you know? But I brought both. I'm gonna test them. Oh, doesn't want to go. Hey, there we go. Got it. Oh, nice. Okay, I'll use that one as my base so I don't destroy my blade or edge or whatever you want to fucking call it. Do I go over the shoulder or do I treat it like a regular axe? Yeah. Whatcha? Oh. have too much fun with this. Alright, I'm gonna make some food. I guess today I'm gonna be a fruitarian. Some blueberries, strawberries, and mango. And cheese. Okay, I cooked up hamburger and some noodles. I'm gonna mix them together. Just gonna add some Kirkland generic marinara sauce. So this is what I've got made up. I've got some hamburger, some red sauce, some cheese. Oh, there's some beans in there. I love me some beans. And noodles, of course. You wanna know how they lit lanterns back in the 1800s? They used a big lighter. Oh, come on. Light. You were lit earlier. There we go. Got it. This is dope. Alright, I'm gonna go take Bandit for a walk. Hey Bandit, come here. Hey! What you doing? You gonna go for a walk? I don't know if you can see that. So because we're getting all this snow and there's no sun out today, I've got to run the Jenny. I got 5 gallons of gas. It should... Oh, my light went out. Let's light it back up. There we go. It's going again. Oh. Uh-oh. Supposedly there's a way it's supposed to not be affected by the wind, you know? It's not that windy. I love the smell of kerosene. What you doing, Bandit? Yeah, so the Jenny's running. It's kind of loud. I was going to just take Bandit for a little walk while we got a little bit of sun left. Sun's about down, but I got enough gasoline to run that generator for a while, and I think I'm gonna cover the solar panels. I've got a broom to brush off the panels, but I don't know how much snow we're supposed to get tonight, and I don't know. I don't want it icing over and then I won't be able to get sun whenever the storm clears, because after this we're probably gonna go to like ski resorts and enjoy some of the fresh powder. Going through the woods. Shit balls. But right now I'm kind of just enjoying getting snowed in on top of one of the tallest mountains in North Carolina, Grandfather Mountain. I've hiked out here before. I know there's some trails. Uh-oh, my light's wanting to go out. I'll do that. Oh, shit. So we made it back to the bus, and I'm gonna end the night with some video games, and I'm just keeping track of the winter storm as it progresses. It's supposed to snow into tomorrow afternoon as well, and keep accumulating. Oh, the lag is really bad right now. I think it's because of the storm. Even Starlink's not getting a lot. I might have to go clean the panel off. So that about wraps up this video. I'm gonna start trying to make one of these YouTube videos. I just gotta start somewhere, you know. You'll get better. It's like exercise. It's a muscle. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see see you next time.